Welcome to Instant Cooking. Today we are making paneer stuffed gatta, very tasty dish. So for this, take 200 grams of Bengal gram flour, add a pinch of salt, quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder, half a teaspoon of red chili powder, and little bit of dry fenugreek leaf. Add 1 teaspoon of oil and mix it well so you can avoid the lumps. Now make it a hard dough by adding little water. So our dough is ready. For this, take 50 grams of cottage cheese, add a pinch of salt and add dry mint leaf powder for flavoring. This gives a very good flavor. Now crush the cottage cheese by using your finger. Crush it very properly like a dough. So you can see it is moreover like a dough. Now let's stuff our gatta. So for this, take our hard dough, roll it and make space for stuffing by using your finger. Now stuff the cottage cheese mint and seal it. Roll it once again. Seal it very properly and roll it. Now in a pan, boil water, add a pinch of salt and a teaspoon of oil. Now add our stuffed gatta in boiling water and leave it for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, remove from boiling water, let it cool down and cut it into small cubes. Now take a grinder, add 1 teaspoon of cumin seed, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander seed powder, half a teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder and 1 teaspoon of our Kitchen King masala. Add 4 to 5 cloves of garlic and half an inch of ginger. Now add 1 medium sized chopped onion and grind it to a fine paste. And this is the masala for our gatta. Now in a pressure pan, take 2 teaspoons of oil, add 1 medium size finely chopped onion and cook till onion is brown. After onion is cooked, add the masala and mix it well and cook till oil is separated. It will take around 2 minutes to oil to separate. After 2 minutes, add 3 teaspoons of curd. Put gas on high flame and stir continuously and cook for further 1 minute. Then add 1 medium sized chopped tomato and cook till tomato is soft. Once tomato is soft, add gatta into the masala and stir very carefully. Otherwise your gatta will break. Add rest of gattas and mix it well and cook it for 1.5 minutes. Now add the same water in which we have boiled the gattas for gravy. Mix it well and pressure cook it for 1 whistle. After 1 whistle, your cottage cheese stuffed gatta is ready to eat. Garnish with coriander leaf and green chili.